Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this great looking graphic, and he's saying that when he fills it in, it all goes black, the windshield and everything, because he's going up here to the fill tool and it's going to fill in everything because that's what it's designed to do because it's one object. Now, if we go to object and break the curve apart and then try to fill it in, it'll just become a black blob. So to do what he wants to do, I'm going to go back to the start. You want to use the Smart Fill tool, and you want to take the Smart Fill tool, set on the color you want. We're going to pick black, and you're going to go to a part where that X is and fill it in, and it's going to leave the windshield because it's sealed. So all the parts that are sealed become white. So this black is continuing down here and going around and getting on this tire, but it's leaving this. So if you just wanted those tires black, or if you wanted the windshield black, or that box black, or just this part right here black, you would use the Smart Fill tool. Common mistake. Now, whenever I do, and I'd already done it, so I know it wasn't going to leak. Whenever I use the Smart Fill tool, I put a bounding box around it, and he evidently draws with a black box, which is, I'll never understand why. But then you take your Smart Fill tool, and that's in case you've got a leak. It won't leak out of that rectangle. And then as always, you can take the box and turn it yellow, which I sent him the file. And then that way you can see that there's no white in it. That's a pretty cool graphic. It should engrave quite well or print or whatever he's going to do with it. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.